Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. Pisces, we are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity, Pisces, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. Pisces, so let's start with these cards here. For your general energy, guys, we have Hierophant, Seven of Spheres and Alchemist of Spheres in reverse. So in your situation today, guys, Pisces, you have faced a lot of stressful situations and you are trying to work really hard, or you have come to some kind of conclusion. You know what you need to do, what is the right thing. You have that knowledge and direction in your situation, and maybe you are someone with a great knowledge, or you have someone guiding you today with their experience and talents. So this person is inspiring you, giving you suggestions. Maybe you are taking their suggestions or you are giving suggestions. So something of that sort, guys. Or maybe for some of you, you are asking this person maybe their valuable suggestions because you have a plan for your life. You are planning to get married. So you are asking this person's advice, what you need to do, or what is the right thing to do today, guys. And also Pisces, you are healing from your situation, guys. Past, maybe there were certain things that did not go well in this relationship. There were some troubles in your life, but today you are just taking it slow. You are clearing your mind, letting go of all that negative things you had, and you are willing to change things for yourself and for this person you love. Maybe changing the way you see or changing the way you react or go about in your situation. And you are you have reached your limit. So you can no longer go on fighting with this person. You just want to trying to find a way, the right way to deal with your situation. So maybe for some of you, this may be your energy. So you want to maybe give it a try, maybe try getting engaged. So you may have a more responsible attitude towards this relationship, or they may have a more responsible attitude towards this relationship. So you want to try engagement or marriage with this person to see where things are going. Maybe that may be the reason you are taking other suggestions, whether you can make that marriage or a deeper commitment work in a beneficial way for you guys. And maybe for some of you, this person's ego or their arrogance is working against you. That may be the reason for troubles. So you want to you feel that you have done enough, whatever is in your power and whatever you can do, you have done enough. You no longer want to go on in the same way, and you just want to change, guys, change the way things are going. So that is what I see, guys. Pisces, let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Four of Stars in reverse, guys. So with this card, guys, in your relationship, Pisces, maybe for some of you, you taking a break or this advice from this person, someone important, someone close to you, or maybe for some of you, you just have given up on this relationship. You have done enough. You are just ready to go with the flow. Things may change, guys, for the better. So maybe this break is working magically with this person. They may come towards you. They want this love, they want you, and they may want to make this connection work, guys. So that is what I see, guys. Let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is 10 of stars. So with this card, guys, in your career situation, there is some kind of an improvement in your situation. Maybe you are seeing some changes, some kind of success, or things are speeding up. So things are falling into place, maybe in your career situation and in your personal life, Pisces. So if you want more clarity, Pisces, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate. So I will start with this card after a few seconds, guys. Okay, guys, so for those who chose this card, let's see what is the card and what is the reading, guys, with that card. So we have Enter the Garden of Delights. That is the card, guys. So in your situation, guys, for those who have chosen this card, maybe in your past you have seen lot of stressful things. Maybe people have left you and you are immensely hurt and you are not ready to move on. You are still in that sadness and sorrow and you are not enjoying what is right there in front of you. You have not healed from your situation, guys, and you just want to continue in the same way of your life. You are not trying to even change. But you need to understand that life is a flowing river. So only when we change ourselves with how our circumstances are changing, we are going to live, guys. So in order to live a peaceful life, in order to achieve that purpose of our life, you need to move on. Let yourself go from that frozen moments of the past and be ready to taste your present. So what is being offered to you in your present situation? You need not worry, because all that is coming towards you is going to change you in a very beautiful way, and you just need to ready to accept what is coming your way and let go of all the horrors of the past away from you, guys. And this garden here now is to be is to be relished with your senses, tasted, seen, heard, touched and inhaled, and also to be loved. So what is there right in front of you? You must use your senses to realize its true nature, guys. And the new day is here, a new beginning is here. So celebration is imminent, and you need to let go of your past to relish what is there right in front of you, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, guys, let's see what is the card. And it is Snow White and Rose Red, Sister Love. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, you need to appreciate even the smallest things you have, guys. Whatever blessings you have, maybe blessings in the form of possessions, things, or people, friends, whatever it is. So when you appreciate even the smaller things, smaller fortunes you are having today, it is simply going to multiply, and you are going to enjoy greater things in life, guys. So you need to make this a habit to have that peace, happiness, and contentment in your heart today. And just like the sisters we see here in this card, guys, one sister is for darkness and one is for light. So we all have that light and dark within ourselves, and we must never reject what we do not like, the aspects of our own self, but we should understand it, and we should be able to embrace both the aspects and work in harmony, guys. So we need not make people afraid by the darkness we have in us, but we should use it as an opportunity to be generous, to be kind, and to solidify the bonds we have with the people in our life. So that is the blessing we can wish for and ask for in our situation. And also, you need to understand that you should have that clarity in your heart and be able to see beyond appearances, maybe with yourself. Just like you have the light and dark, each and every one of us have that light energy and dark energy in us, and we need to find the right way to communicate with people and have that clarity, guys, in our situation. And this card also stands for a beautiful communication with our loved ones, with our family. So maybe for some of you, if you are expecting or if you want to communicate, that is what is going to happen today, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.